like to see consolidation, unification of APIs, of all the industry working together. It makes it much simpler for developers to write applications that can take advantage of 5G networks. The developer community now has an opportunity to create the next generation of applications. So one of the challenges we see in networks today is congestion. Right, so how do I have an application that has predictable performance with quality on-demand APIs? As a developer, I can write this application, and all the operators now that are supporting it, I can run that application anywhere in the world on anybody's network, and that's really the dream of a developer, is simplify and take away the complexity of the network with a very simple to use API. The biggest market opportunities are around these new edge native scenarios, and we see that connected vehicles, smart stadium, telemedicine, retail. So these verticals are all emerging, and so as we make these APIs available, developers will have an easier time innovating and creating these applications and deploying these networks. It's interesting and exciting to see how fast the initiative is progressing, right? Here at Mobile World Congress, you see so many of the operators joining together, the network equipment providers joining together. I've actually never seen something come together so quickly with so much enthusiasm and excitement across the industry. So that, for us, is very interesting because now we can really make forward progress again to enable the developers to write those applications. We love developers and making it easy with the developer tools, so we will keep pushing. We have a developer program underway. We initiated something called Azure Programmable Connectivity. We have a private preview. We're working with key developers today, and we're going to keep expanding that developer ecosystem. We're going to keep developing these APIs. We're adding more APIs. We'll be adding more scenarios, more developers, the ISVs around that. Because still, I think there's an open question of what are the killer applications, and we don't know that yet. We see a lot of these industries innovating around that. So those applications will be coming online. They'll be on production networks, and so we'll get a lot of validation for that. The other big thing that's still open though is the monetization model, the business model. So that's something that's not defined yet, and so that's really the next big thing that we need to work out as the community so that we understand how the money's flowing, so that developers are creating innovative applications, but the operators are also making money for their huge investments they made on the 5G network infrastructure.